past month and a bit, things here in Ontario have slowly started opening back up. So now, whether or not on Canada Day there will be get-togethers and barbecues and family gatherings, I don't know. But what we're going to do today, 2 recipes, 1 video. We are going to make a snack that you can take to these gatherings, or if you're at home with your family, you can make it for them and everybody snacking and have a good time. So, that being said, let's get making some soft beer pretzels and a cheese sauce. Let's do this. So, here I have a pot. Turn it on. 1 bottle of beer. Whole beer into the pot. We gotta warm this up anywhere between 110 115. So I've taken the beer off the heat because I slightly went over 115. So I'll let it cool down. We're sitting at about 111. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. Yeah, about 111. So now to the beer. 3 teaspoons of yeast. Now we're going to give this a good mix. We want to dissolve that yeast. Basically, we just made this yeast very, very happy. Alrighty, so we're at the mixer. So, beer with yeast in the bowl. Try to get out all the goodness. Okay. To that, 2 tablespoons of sugar in, 2 tablespoons of butter in with that. Now I used salted butter, so I'm not going to add any extra salt to the recipe. Okay. To get this going, I have about 4.5 cups of flour. I'm going to add 3 cups of it directly into the bowl, give or take. Then we're gonna sit down our mixer with the dough hook and start letting this do its thing. Okay, so I like where the dough is at right now. I'm not gonna add any more flour, but I am gonna turn this up so we can start building the gluten in the pretzel dough. We want to have strong fibers. I'm going to let this go for about another 5 minutes or so. Okay, so it's been about 5-6 minutes. I'm going to stop it. Unhook everything. Put it into an oiled bowl and put it into a warm covered location. Okay, I'm about to take out the dough. Just before I do, I have a pot coming up to temp, to boiling, and I am going to add baking soda to the water. 2/3 of a cup. Give that a stir with your whisk. So that's going to come up to boil. Here is the dough. As you can see, raised up pretty good. Bring it out. Now, depending on how big you want your pretzels to be, as big as small as you want. And I am going to do 10 pretzels. Actually, I may do 8 pretzels and then pretzel bites. Because obviously, you need to roll these out. Now, I'm not the best at making the pretzel shape. just say that's a pretzel and call it a day. Okay, so once you have pretzel shape, somewhat of a pretzel shape, the water's boiling. I'm going to drop these in, one or two at a time, completely up to you. For about 30 seconds. So I'm just going to put them right there on the cutting board. Once they're out, you need to beat one egg with a little bit of water, and then we're just going to brush all over the pretzel. I am going to put a few of the bites on there. So now we take some very coarse salt. Now, these go into the oven for about 12-13 minutes. So right there you can see the first batch are out and cooling off. Here comes the second batch. Nice golden brown. What goes good with pretzels, soft pretzels? Cheese sauce. So let's get it going. Here I have a small pot. Into this pot I'm putting about 45 grams of butter, which is about 3 tablespoons. I'm going to get that going and melted. Yes, we are starting out by making a roux. So into the butter, same amount of flour, 45 grams of flour, which is about, again, 3 tablespoons. And start stirring. Once this is gone for a few minutes, we're going to add 1 bottle of beer. Your favorite beer, doesn't matter. Whatever you want. Just stir it all together. Try to get most of the lumps out. Just like so. It's only been a couple minutes. Put this back down to medium heat. It's already starting to thicken. Next, we're going to add about 1 cup of whole milk, or half and half, or if you want to get real decadent, full cream. Heavy cream. Whisk and add slowly. Keep whisking to combine the milk with the beer. Okay. Now to this, we're going to add a good squirt of Dijon mustard, along with a few good shakes of Worcestershire sauce, salt, half teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm using this. 5 peppercorn blend from Sunset Gourmet. I sell this. If you would like it, visit the link in the description. It's called Ken's Kitchen. Give that a stir. Next, now this is to taste cayenne pepper. Now to this comes the part we've all been waiting for. I am adding all together 4 different cheeses. I am adding extra old mozzarella and smoked Gouda. Basically, add a little bit at a time so you get it all in and melted. It's about 3.5 to 4 cups of cheese altogether. Yeah, oh yeah. Enough cheese to bung you up for a week. And then it'll last a little bit. Put this into a serving bowl, little dish, warm. You're good to go. Okay. So that's it. So, I know I'm doing this off camera. Break into your pretzel, into the cheese. Oh. And yes, I double dip because, well, I'm the only one here. This is my bowl of cheese. Oh. Well, that's it. Happy Canada Day. Be safe. Be kind. Please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. I check them. And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.